Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back. All right, today I am sharing with you real briefly my very first traveler's notebook layout, and this notebook was gifted to me by Suzanne Lee. She's got a channel here on YouTube, so I'll drop a link below so that you can check out some of her amazing layouts as well. The paper pad that I used for the background layout is the Discover Pad by Paper House. I picked that up from Tuesday morning in the last haul, so check that out. The paper pad also had the alpha stickers that are shown on the right hand side for the title, as well as the journal spot here that says Embrace the Detours. Above the journal spot, you'll see that bright patch of yellow, which is the Vicki Boutin art crayons, and I just used her crayons, scribbled a little bit, smeared it with a little bit of water, and it didn't lose any of the pigment. So I love that about her art crayons. I'll definitely be using them in future projects. Now around the entire layout, I just framed it using a random pen. Framed it with some doodled lines, and at the bottom of the right hand page you'll see the Becky Higgins sentiment stamp. It's a date stamp. She's got several different sentiments in there, and so I use that for my Bible journaling as well as scrapbook and layouts. Now the Epic and Explorer stickers came from a planner sticker set that I purchased a while back. I don't even know who it's by, but the title of this layout is the Greenbelt. Now the Greenbelt is miles and miles of trails around our city and throughout, and you can get on it in different parts of the city and using a bike or a scooter or skates or a skateboard or just walking or jogging, go from one part of the town to the other. And so quite often on busy days, my son and I will take a break and hop in the car, drive down to the trail, and just get some exercise and some fresh air and actually hang out together. And so we enjoy doing that. That's something that I wanted to document, and I was able to do so very quickly in this smaller spot of the Traveler's Notebook. So if you like jotting down some of your memories and you don't have time to do the 12 by 12, I encourage you to go ahead and grab a Traveler's Notebook and get those memories down. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.